So we're given this trapezoid here, and sometimes you have to redraw these as you kind of read the questions, because you know, I didn't draw it directly like this. So just be prepared for that in the exam, that you may have to redraw. That angle is 90 degrees, and then BC is 3 centimeters, and that's 8. So here I'm going to label that X, and then I'll drop a perpendicular here. And this is also X, and let me just call CD Y. So the condition is that the perimeter is 36, which means 8 plus 3 plus X plus Y is 36, which means X plus Y is 25. So that's one relationship. The other one is that this is a right triangle, and this distance will be 5 centimeters, because this is also 3 centimeters. This is a square here. If I call this point E, the AECB is a square, so that's remaining. Again, note that this isn't drawn to scale. So we have another relationship between these two quantities from the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus 5 squared equal to Y squared. Or I can write it as Y squared minus X squared is equal to 25. This one is really Y plus X is 25. So instead of doing substitution here, I note that I can use difference of squares here and rewrite it. I mean, you can certainly substitute, you'll end up with a quadratic. And then Y plus X is 25. That means Y minus X is 1. So now we have these two equations. I can add them. 2Y is 26, Y is 13, and you'll see X is 12. Actually, I don't even need it. Oh no, I do need X. X is 12, Y is 13. So these two, we know these sides. Now, question is the area, which will be half base 1 plus base 2. So 3 plus 8 times the height, and the height is X, this dimension, which is 12. So that becomes 11 times 6, which is 66 square centimeter.